Hi, Ken with the Model Building Retirement Channel here, and I just wanted to do a really quick video to give you an announcement on an exclusive deal. It's a brand new release today, effective today, April 7th, 2026, and it is from Gallery and Kaleido Colors. And one of the things we've been waiting for a long time is their brand new release of 12 clear colors. That's right, folks, 12 brand new clear colors, and I have tested these out. They're awesome. In fact, today I'm also releasing a video where I did a spray out of all 12 colors. I did 24 spray outs. I did 12 on silver base and 12 on gold base, so check out that video. But this is available today, and you get 10% off using my code, and I will have that in the description. And you can get this at the Amazon website or the official Gallery website. In addition to that, they've got what they're calling the Primary Set B. This is 24 brand new additional primary colors, and that comes out effective today, and it includes their version of a rubber black. So check that out. Again, 10% off at either Amazon or the Gallery store using my product codes in the description. And then finally, this is really cool. This is what they call the Turbo X. It's a little mini compressor, and this particular one comes with the GHAD 39 starter airbrush. And I'll tell you what, that is a workhorse of an airbrush. I used that exclusively for about a year, and it's a beautiful airbrush. And this is paired up with the compressor, available only on Amazon on this one. And I'll have a link, a direct link, and a discount code for this. Or if you want just a compressor, you can get it at the Gallery.com official website. And once again, I'll have a code and you get 10% off there for just a compressor. And then stick around to my channel, folks, because I am going to do a review on the Turbo X with the airbrush. And that's coming up here very shortly. And at the end of the video, I am going to give this away. That's right. One lucky recipient is going to win the Turbo X Mini and airbrush combo that you see right here. So stick around to my channel. That'll be coming out soon, and it'll have all the instructions on how you can enter to win. So stick around, and good luck on the purchases. Again, the links are in my description, so take advantage of them. I think they're having an extra 10% off on their early bird special for today only, I believe it is. So that's 19% off between their discount and my discount. So check it out, folks.